Fix robotic AI writing with this Claude prompt trick. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix robotic AI writing using a simple prompt trick in Claude AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open Claude AI in your browser and go to the chat page. After that, paste the AI-generated text that sounds robotic or unnatural into the chat box. Now, write a prompt telling Claude to rewrite the text in a more human and natural tone. For example, you can type, "Rewrite this text so it sounds natural, human, and engaging." Avoid robotic phrasing and make the writing smooth and conversational. Next, press Enter so Claude can analyze the text. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a rewritten version that sounds more natural and easier to read. If you want to improve it further, you can ask Claude to adjust the tone, such as making it more professional, casual, or storytelling-based. You can also ask Claude to simplify the language, improve clarity, or make the content more engaging for readers. Finally, copy the improved version and use it in your article, blog post, or content. That's all for the video.